Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about a new topic, and the topic is how to change a page URL on Wix, and it will be literally a quick and complete tutorial for you guys. And in this video I'm going to break down step by step process for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already set up our Wix website, and this is our eventual final result. So here we want to change our page URL. So that for reason you need to be visit on your editor panel. How you can access this panel? Just go to your dashboard. Let's start from the scratch. So here you can see you will get this kind of an interface when you are new in Wix platform. In here you can see we have this three button, then we have this edit site button. Whether you can choose this both or you can just choose edit site. You just need to be click over here. Once you click over here, it will just simply redirect you to that place, and in here you need to be take a while to reload over that place. Once it reload perfectly, then you are allowed to edit each and particular section perfectly. So we need to be wait a while. Once it perfectly reload, you just need to be go over that place pages and menu. You will find out in the left corner. In here you can see we have such a page that calls shop, about, FAQ, gift card, contact. So I'm going to click on contact, then I will click over here in the setting, and here you can see this is the setting, page info, layout, permission, SEO basic, advanced SEO, and many more. In the SEO basic you will get the option to change URL flag. It means your URL page. So here if you want to add anything like contact must be, or they will give you the option you must first connect contact domain, custom domain to your site to automatically redirect user from your old URL to new URL. So it's totally up to you. You can change your URL whatever you want. So I already had changed my URL. I add some D, and you can see this is the URL last two option, and if I am giving a name, that will be my him. And now you can see in here our URL has been changed. So I'm going to click onto the save, and then let's again visit, and now I'm going to check this out, this Mahim, and let's go over here and click on preview. Once I click over here preview, it will redirect me to that page in contact, and the name will be like this. So let's visit the main page by following process. So here I am going to click on publish, view site, and here you can see this is the page, and I'm going to select Mahim, and now eventually you can see the result that Mahim URL. I already changed the URL from contact to Mahim, and this is our page. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you understand a new thing or know a new thing from this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.